Hello guys, welcome to Technical Amir Haider YouTube channel. And in this video, we will learn about how to connect a remote desktop connection from Google Cloud. So we will take a Google Cloud RDP and we will connect it. First of all, we will make a cloud server. Then we will connect it using the IP address and the username and password. So I will go to Compute Engine and VM instances. I have $144 left in my account. Then I will be eligible for credit. Then I will pay for what I use. For now I have $144. So I will click on create instance. After clicking on create instance, this menu will appear right here. It's loading. Just wait a few more seconds. Now here enter the name of the instance, just like my name is Amir. The name should be in lowercase, Amir Haider. And here select your region, just like I'm selecting Mumbai. The reason why I have selected Mumbai, because Mumbai is near to Pakistan, my country, and I will get much lower pings. Much lower pings mean much higher speed. Let's suppose if you are living in Canada, then you should select USA, like California, Las Vegas, because you will get much higher speed, much higher pings. There will not be a delay in the connection. So after selecting the region, select the zone, and here select the series which you want, like CPU platform selection based on availability E2. So E2, you can select E2 series, N2 series, N1 series. N1 series are basically the first generation CPUs. If you want to do a high task, like which need more processing power, more CPU, then you will click on this compute optimize. These are PCs which can access many applications at the same time. They are good at multitasking. They are more stable than general purpose. So go for it if you want. If you have a task that need more power, uh, here you can select 4 CPUs. If your task is normal, you can select 8 CPUs, 16 and 60 CPUs for this region, Mumbai. If you select let's suppose Las Vegas, then same 60 CPUs. So compute optimize are those CPUs which focus more on the cores, which focus more on the computing power. And memory optimize, select this one if you want a PC which, if let's suppose your program which you want to run needs a more high RAM than CPUs, then click on memory optimize. For instance, I am clicking on general purpose because I just want for educational purposes. I will click on 2 CPUs. Then here select your operating system. This part is very important. Select whichever operating system you want. I am going for Windows Server 2019. Make sure click on the one which have server with desktop experience, x64-bit, 50 GB RAM. Okay, and click on create. It will take a while. After taking time, it will create an instance, and I'll connect it using the remote desktop connection, Microsoft remote desktop connection. Oh, operation type. Okay, quota exceed. So guys, I'm already having 2 instances right here, so my quota exceeds my current package. If I want more, I'll pay. So I can show you this one. I'll connect this one. Procedure is same, it's already made. I'll just connect it. I'll just show you how you can connect it. Don't know why it's taking too much time. So here, click on set Windows password and click on set. This will set a new password for this username. So copy the username, and let's suppose password is this, and copy that username and password, and copy this external IP address. After copying all these, click on add PC. Click on add PC, enter this external IP address right here. Click on add user account. uh, Enter the username. This is the username, and enter the password which you have set right there. Enter friendly name, it's optional name just for you to remember. Like I can enter my own name, Amir, and I'll click on add. So this will add a new PC, and if I connect it, it will be connected to the PC. So it was for this video. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.